Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control panel for Garland part number 4522593. The control panel for Garland part number 4522593 is a user-friendly digital control panel that is designed to be used with Garland's commercial cooking equipment. This control panel allows users to easily adjust the temperature, time, and other settings on their Garland equipment. The control panel features a large LCD display that shows the current settings and allows users to make adjustments with the push of a button. The control panel also includes an alarm system that will alert users when the temperature or time settings have been exceeded. Additionally, this part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement thermostat control panel for Garland ovens. It fixes symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the oven not maintaining temperature, or the oven not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the control panel and all of its components. 2. Secure the control panel to the wall using the provided mounting hardware. 3. Connect the wires from the control panel to the appropriate terminals on your furnace or air conditioner. 4. Turn on power to your furnace or air conditioner and test that all functions are working properly. 5. If necessary, adjust any settings on the control panel as needed for your specific system requirements. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.